I made good progress this week, and I'm adding an option to install a trolling motor, which I will discuss in this video. The body of the boat is made up of XPS foam. The 4 feet by 8 feet sheet is pre-cut at the center. That's why I decided to make the width of the boat at 24 inches. My friend gave me a blade for cutting foam, and it looks pretty dangerous. It takes a little bit of practice, but it's pretty easy to use. The result is good. The cut edge is smooth and clean. Since I'm only going to glue 2 sheets together, therefore I used 3.5 inch long nails to align the top and bottom sheet. There are many ways to glue the foam together. This time I used spray foam because I can work on it in 2 hours. I only need 2 cans to finish glue all the sheets together. The bonding is very strong, but one issue is the foam expands. Therefore, I have to add weight on top so as to compress the sheets together. There will be a small gap between the top and bottom sheet. Therefore, I use silicone sealant to seal up the gaps, just to minimize the amount of water from seeping into the inner layer. I will trim off the excess foam and then pull all the nails for my next projects. I can come up with very precise cut with hot wire. I use 2 aluminum angles to define where to cut, and then push the hot wire along the path, and the cut is very clean. I made it 2 nice pontoons. I have to determine how large a hole I need to cut on the body so as to accommodate this pedal drive. I used paper to make a markup, and I determined I need about 16 inches long and 4 inches rectangular cut on the foam. I happen to have a small piece of aluminum plate which I make a hot knife, and I use it to cut that rectangular opening on the foam body of the boat. This will give me a better cut than other tools I have. I sand off the rough edges, and then I apply a layer of silicone sealant to seal the gap. I do a quick check on all the clearance, also how much clearance of the propeller from the bottom of the boat. It looks fine. The next thing to check is to see if the pedal drive can swing up easily. Instead of making the rectangular opening 16 inches long, I only give it 14 inches. If I lift up the drive after rotated to a certain position, it will work. So with the setup for the trolling motor, I create a mount here. I can still sit here, put the hand at my back. I still control the direction and speed of the boat. But if I want to do a pedal drive, then I will rotate it and take this one out. Probably the piece that I need to change is this piece. Create a mount for the trolling motor, and then I will fit this one in. And the seat flip this way, then I can use the pedal drive. Therefore, the width of 4 inches is what I need if I want to support both trolling motor or the pedal drive. Okay. I believe I can finish this boat in this coming week. Please stay tuned for an update. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help me to grow my channel, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me feedback. Please stay tuned for my update in designing this Gen 18. Bye.